Hi there, we're back with another cookbook to share. It's been a busy few weeks for us, so we haven't had much time to cook out of our cookbooks lately. But today, we're making heavenly orange cranberry bars from Copycat Favorites by Taste of Home. These are so easy to make. You just start by beating the brown sugar, melted butter, eggs, and vanilla extract together in a large bowl. Then in a separate bowl, mix your flour, baking powder, and salt together. And slowly add it into the other bowl with the sugar mixture in it. You'll get a nice thick dough consistency once it's all fully mixed. Add in the white chocolate chips, dried cranberries, and orange zest, and use a spatula or spoon to mix everything together. You'll have a lot of oranges left over from this, so you could make some fresh orange juice if you wanted. And don't forget to add in your chopped nuts. We had walnuts on hand, so we used those instead of pecans like the recipe calls for. Once everything is mixed, spread the dough into a greased pan and press down gently. Bake the bars until a toothpick comes out clean. This took about 20 minutes in our oven. Then let them cool completely on a wire rack while still in the pan. Once the bars have cooled completely, make the frosting. Since confectioner sugar often has clumps in it, start by sifting the sugar into the bowl you'll mix the frosting in. Then add in the softened butter, cream cheese, and vanilla extract. Beat everything together until it's a nice, smooth texture. Now spread the frosting over the bars. The next time we make this recipe, we'll probably do about 25% more frosting on the bars to have a better ratio of bar to frosting and to more closely resemble the picture in the cookbook. Once they're fully frosted, sprinkle with the cranberries mixed with the remaining orange zest and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight like we did. After the bars have chilled, cut them into triangles or whatever shape you want. These are so good that you might end up eating some as you're cutting them, like what happened with us. Neither of us have ever actually had the Cranberry Bliss Bars at Starbucks like these are a copycat from, but now we don't have to. We'll be making these bars again very soon. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.